What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically generate stunning images and post them on social media using Make.com. Let's get started. On Make, I've created a scenario that I've renamed to automatically generate stunning images and post them on social media. On Airtable, I've created a table that I've renamed to social media post prompts. And here, we'll add the description of the image that we'd like to generate using AI. Here we can generate an image of a fantasy world, and we are describing the prompt as dive into the magical realms, mythical creatures, and surreal environments. On our scenario, I'm going to search for Airtable and click on Airtable. Here, we're going to use the watch record module as our trigger. Here, you'll need to create a connection between your Airtable account and Make.com account by clicking on Add, and for the connection type, choose Airtable or Auth, then click on Save. Then a new window will be prompted where you'll choose the database that you like to grant access to Make, and then click on OK. Since I had already created my connection, I'm going to close and choose my connection right here. And here I'm going to choose my database. My database is Client Lead Gen CRM. For the table, I'm going to choose the social media posts prompts. For the trigger field, we're going to choose created time. And the field that we would like to watch is a prompts field. For the limit, I'm going to limit it to 1 and then click on OK. You can see it's asking me to choose where I would like to start. We can start from now, since a specific date, all, or choose manually. Here, I'm going to choose one of our prompts and choose the luxury lifestyle, then click on OK. And here we can run it and see if we're gonna get it. Now, we can use these prompt description to generate an image prompt. Now, to generate an image prompt, I'm going to add another module and search for Gemini. So I'm going to use Google Gemini AI to generate an incredible prompt that we're going to use to generate our image. So on Google Gemini, I'm going to click on Create a Completion. For the AI model, I'm going to use the latest model, which is Gemini 2.0 Flash Experiment. For the message, I'm going to add an item and choose a role. I'm going to choose user as a role. Then here we can add an item. We can add the message type and choose text. And for the text, we can say generate a single image prompt of, and then here we can add our prompt description. Then click on OK. So here, I renamed this module to generate image prompt. And then click on OK. And now, after we've generated our image prompt, we can generate our image using an AI tool. The AI tool that I'm going to use is Dumpling AI. It's an incredible tool that you can use to generate AI images. I'm going to use this as our module to generate our image. Now here, you'll also need to create a connection between your Make account and your Dumpling AI account. So on Dumpling AI, here, after you've created an account, click on Generate API Key. And this is a key that you're going to use to create a connection between your Dumpling AI account and Make.com account by pasting the API key over here and clicking on Save. But since I had already created my connection, I'm going to close and choose our prompt right here. So this prompt will be the results that we generate using Gemini. You can add the seed, you can add the number of outputs right here, you can choose the aspect ratio of the image, you can choose the output format, you can choose, so here you can choose the PNG, JPG, or WebP. I'm going to choose JPG. Can I choose the output quality? Can choose the number of inference steps. You can also choose a megapixel right here. I'm going to choose 1 megapixel, then click on OK. Now to test if our automation works so far here, I'll choose where to start and choose manually, and choose one of our prompt descriptions and click on OK, and then I'll run automation. You can see that automation ran successfully. Here we got our prompt description, and here we generated an incredible prompt for an image that we like to generate using Dumpling AI. Here, we generated an image using this prompt that we generated using Gemini. So on images, you'll find the image URL of our image. So I'll copy it and open it on a new tab. So here you can see the incredible image that we generated using AI. Post this image with social media platform. Here I'll add another module and search for HTTP. And on HTTP, I'm going to click on get a file. Here we're going to add our image URL. So on images, we'll find our URL right here, then click on OK. Now with our image URL, we can generate captions for our image. Now to generate captions, we can use Gemini. So I'll add another module and click on Google Gemini, and then here I'll click on create a completion. The AI model, we're going to choose the latest one. Then here I'm going to add an item. And then for the role, I'm going to choose the user role. And then here I'm going to add an item. For the message type, I'm going to choose text. And here you can add our text, which could be on the lines of generate a single line caption for an image to post on social media from this prompt. And then here we can add the prompt that we generated using Gemini. So this prompt right here, and then click on OK. Here we can rename this module to generate post caption, and then click on OK. Now after we've generated our image and our caption, we can post the image and the caption on social media. So here I'll add another module. Then I'm going to choose Facebook as our example platform that we like to post our image. So I'll search for Facebook. Then I'll click on Facebook pages. Then here I'm going to create a post with photos. Here you'll need to create a connection also with your Facebook page and Make. Here you'll also need to create a connection between your Facebook page and Make. And then after creating your connection, you'll need to choose your page. I'm going to choose to post on my Relax Automation page. And then here on photos, I'm going to add another item. The image will be this image that we're getting using our HTTP get a file module. Then here we're going to add our caption after we've generated it using Gemini. And then here I'm going to click on OK. Sometimes you'll need to click on it twice so it accepts. And now allow to align automation and test it. Now to test if automation works, here I'm going to choose where to start, and then I'm going to choose manually. Here we can choose the luxury lifestyle prompt description, and then I'm going to click on OK. And then now to test if automation works, I'll run it. Here you can see that automation ran successfully. We got our prompt description from Airtable. Then we generated the image prompt using Gemini. And then using the image prompt that we generated using Gemini, we generated an AI image using Dumpling AI. Then we got our image, and we also generated the post caption for the image using Gemini and posted the image with the caption on Facebook. So this is the image that we generated using AI. On our Facebook page, you can see we automatically posted our image with our caption over here. So we can try to generate and post another image on Facebook. So here, I'll choose where to start, and then here, I'll choose manually. Here, this time around, I'm going to choose a futuristic concept, prompt description, then click on OK to generate our image and our caption and post our image with our captions on Facebook. I'll click on run once. You can see that automation ran successfully. When we refresh our Facebook page, you can see we just posted this incredible image to our page with this incredible caption right here. Here, we can try one last example. So I'll choose where to start, then choose manually. And then we can choose nature and wildlife as our prompt description, then click on OK. Now to generate our image and our caption and post our image with the description on Facebook, I'll run automation again. You can see that automation ran successfully. When we refresh our Facebook page, here you'll see the image that we just generated using our automation right here. Instead of Facebook, you can also choose another social media platform like LinkedIn, Instagram, or Twitter. This is a simple automation that you can create right now on make.com and generate stunning images with brilliant captions and post the images and captions on a social media platform. If you have an automation or a system in mind that you'd like for me to create, just comment down below in the comment section. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.